Well, what is going on, everybody? It has been a minute since I have posted a video, and today is, as you guys might know, it's fishing opener. I'm out here with my cousin Logan again. He's sitting over there. We just got out here. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna get to like 60, 70 degrees today, so it's gonna be nice. This will be the second time we pull the boat out this year. So yeah, we're gonna get the straps off, put the plug in, and then yeah, put this thing in the water and hopefully catch some bass or some northern or something for you guys. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. Well, that's the first one that did her. I wasn't recording, but he got the first bass. Wasn't the biggest, but up in this shallows up here, really shallow.
Freaking paint slapped me down.
Show our belt, huh?
I don't like wearing belts.
Huh?
I don't like wearing belts. Second one.
About the same size, huh?
Yeah.
Felt way bigger,
It's a
huh?
little bit more chunkier, but that was right there.
Yeah.
Another fish, number 2.
Good stuff.
Graceful release. There he goes.
This thing always gets me fish.
Oh yeah.
It's got like a little propeller on the back.
Oh, whopper plopper. Alright, here we go. Here goes nothing. Ready? We're just gonna whip it. Oh my god, you can't tell me it's a fish back.
Okay, now let's catch a fish now. This is the one I put on right here.
Oh yeah. I guess my grandma's got 2 ground lines. There's one. Yeah,
Nice one. Yeah, nice one.
Well, it's about time.
Decent one.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll be able to boat flip this one.
Let me grab him.
Under the boat.
Oh yeah, probably the biggest one. Typical. Shit.
Yeah, I get that trolling one. Holy shit, yeah, he's big. Grab the net, it's right there.
Ugh.
That's a good one. Let's see. Got him? Ready? Okay.
Right.
That's a toad!
That'll work. That's good. Probably 2.5.
For sure. There we go. First one. Took me long enough.
Huh. Finally.
Finally. Jeepers.
We'll shut that off.
Pretty decent one.
3 pounds, 4 ounces.
Sir. There you go.
There
Yep,
he goes.
She was ready. Yes, sir. First one. Took me long enough. Goddamn.
Yeah, you could say that.
I told you that freaking spinner. I always have good luck on that thing. I
Yeah,
got
whopper
4 bass
plopper.
out of cedar on that this year.
Whopper popper, usually do it. Always like, you get the biggest fish doing that shit.
That was a decent one.
Yeah. 3 pounder.
I wasn't really expecting 3 pounds. I was thinking
No, I thought for
2.
sure 2.5.
Yeah.
Easy.
What the hell was that?
Yo, buddy just got. Oh my god.
He's not even like.
He
Okay,
just
how?
smoked him
He's
first.
not even in the. Wait, stop moving.
You probably chucked it through his wing.
Dude, he's just all tangled up. Can I just cut it?
Probably. He's gonna die anyway.
What the hell?
That
Oh my
fucking
god.
pissed.
He started screaming at me. I didn't even hit him with the lure. He just ran into my line.
It's a nice cooperation from back here. And then tomorrow morning go up the long way. Tomorrow, I don't think it's I'll have to check the weather for up there.
Yeah. Try to drop off a little bit. So glad it stopped raining. Well, it's sprinkling, but
Rain a little bit, but this is like beautiful.
yeah. What? Got one? Good stuff, man.
Hiker.
Was it a pike?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
That dang.
Hey, watch that trolling motor. Yes, sir.
Snot rocket. What are you doing, you baby sucker?
We should.
Backflip.
That's just funny.
Smallest freaking one.
Good stuff.
That fucking is tiny. Right in front of that dock. Well, that's fifth one for me.
Yeah, got 6 in total.
That ain't too bad in about 2 hours.
1 on top water, 5 on jig. That's a good one. Yes, sir.
Just turned the camera on, but I didn't get recorded, so this
That's a good one too.
recording.
Yeah, I think so. It's coming over by you. It's gonna jump.
I bet. Put another dink.
Grab the net. It's right there if you want to. It's got treble hooks, so it might.
Better grab the damn.
Oh, it's a big one.
So big.
Oh my god.
Another toad.
Another toad.
I don't think it's quite as big as
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna. Here we go. Hey, he's got one too. Hey! Doubled up.
Look at that one. This one probably fits in its mouth.
Let's do the backflip thing on yours.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I got that in video, but whatever.
There's no fishes.
You just suck.
There's no fish.
Two biggest fish,
All
bitch.
bullshit.
Oh, yeah, right.
My two are pretty good.
No.
What? 3, 2.5, that's 5.5. Oh, we'll have to do the math later. You got another one?
Yep.
Ah, you little shitbag.
He didn't even like come up for it. He just, oh, it's a cock bass. It's a cock bass.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, it is.
No, it ain't.
It's not? No, it's not. Okay.
It doesn't have
Dude, it feels weird grabbing a bass like this. Backflip. Oh, that's fun to do. Well, guys, I'd say it was a pretty successful opener fishing day. We got, what, 10 fish? Got a few nice little bass. And yeah, I'd say it was pretty good. We're gonna head back. I got Mother's Day tonight, so gotta get back and do all that joy stuff. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to Hit the subscribe button, like it. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.